Hey guys, Jeremy here from Redwater Dodge, home of the Rig Ready Rams, Rig Ready Used, and Rig Ready Approves. Here behind me I have a 2026 Ram 3500 Laramie. I'm here to take you guys on a quick walk around video of this beast. So this one is the Night Edition with the forged blue. So with the Night Edition, you get the blacked out grille, blacked out badges everywhere, blacked out all the accents, wheels, that kind of thing. So this one is our new forged blue color. It's that darker blue. One of our most popular colors, a really nice color. We'll take a look inside here. 12.4-inch screen on this puppy. Leather, heated, cooled seats, and doorless that's a mouthful right there. Dual wireless charging. Mega cab as well. You get that extra space back there. You can throw a bunch of things back there. Of course, I'm the sit-in guy. Everyone knows this. Reclining in the back seat in a pickup. Where can you do that? Only in a Cummins. Go out to the back here. We got fifth wheel prep. You know, summertime. Right here. It's almost July. Fifth wheel prep for your camper. Box liner so you don't scratch up your box. Tow hooks, of course. Plug-ins here for your grill, that sort of thing. Go all over to the front here. Adaptive cruise here. Set it. Regular cruise if you don't want the adaptive cruise. Plenty more features. It's a Laramie, so it's got all the nice finishing touches on it as well. Power seats. Biggest console of any pickup truck. Along with the biggest cab of any pickup truck. So we've definitely stepped it up on the cabs. Along with our new transmission, our 26s. I don't know if all of you know this, a lot of our customers do, but got the new ZF transmission here. One of, if not the most reliable transmission in any truck, along with the 6.7 Cummins, of course, which I know a lot of people like. And you know, there's a reason they use Cummins in semis and a lot of other vehicles as well as we use them in our pickups. So you know, you got the best engine and the best transmission. With the new transmission for 26. So it's good that they, you know, stepping up their game, Chrysler, here for the upcoming years. So if you want some more information, you can come visit us here in store in Redwater or give us a call, 780-942-3629.